What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to go over the Amorno Bluetooth earphones. The guys over there sent me out these the other week. Just haven't gotten around to reviewing them. So we're going to open this up. I have my iPad Pro right here. I'm going to pair the two, see how the audio sounds, and see if I would recommend them. So let's see. The past two videos that I've done, I've forgotten scissors. So currently these headphones are going for $33.99 on Amazon. I'll put a link for them down below. But let's open them up and see how they look. Alright, so when you first open it up, you do have a little owner's manual. Not sure if they actually call it that. So according to this, it has a mobile phone anti-loss indicator. Headset will prompt beyond the range of connections. That's kind of nice. So if you're using your phone, your headphones, you don't set your phone down and leave it there. There it is. It's the quick guide. So it does come with a 1-year warranty. It includes an email right here, support@jeko-elec.com. It says response within 24 hours. Welcome to contact us anytime. So that's nice. Then it includes a USB 2.0 charging cord. I would say probably 2 meters maybe. 2 meters. Wow. 2 feet. Sorry about that. Alright. It includes some replacement earbuds. There's a little tab right here that you can pull up to remove the headphones. Alrighty, so they extend out like so. Alright, so there they are. They are very lightweight. They're made to go around your neck, and the earbuds actually come out for each ear like so. Let's go ahead, and these actually retract, so that's kind of cool. So when you pull them out, to pull these cords back in, there's a button on each side that you press, and it sucks it back in, so you can store them. That's kind of cool. So if you press them with them in, it does actually pull them out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open my iPad. I'm going to go to Settings, Bluetooth. On the side of the device, there's a switch on and off. Obviously, it's off right now. There's also a volume button, and this is the button where you can accept and reject calls. Model SX-888. Left and right. So let's power it on. Once you... Whoa, what was that? It said something. So when you power it on, it vibrates as well. So that's kind of cool. So it says, power on, battery level medium, pairing. So it shows the Amorno-SX-888. I'm going to select that. It says your headset is connected. So trying to get to swipe down. So it does display under the batteries. It shows that my battery is at 70%. So there is audio feedback. So when I change the volume on the iPad, it kind of makes a beep. But the audio quality is actually really good. It has fairly good bass. One last thing, the charging port's right here on the inside. I completely forgot about that. So you flip that open and it has a place to plug the charger in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you'll click the subscribe button. After you hit that, a little bell will actually pop up. That'll let you get notified of all my postings here on YouTube. I hope you will also check me out online at Logan's Tech Review. You can follow me on Twitter at Logan Tech Review. There's no S in that. And also I'm on Instagram at Logan's Tech Review. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.